What is insurance? Insurance is a financial product or service that provides protection against potential losses or risks. It involves a contract between an individual or organization and an insurance company, where the policyholders pays premiums in exchange of insurers' promises and compensate them in a case of a specialized event such as incidents, illness, or property damage. So, insurance is like an agreement. No, magbabayad ka every month, for example, 2,000 every month. And pagka may nangyaring accident or nagkasakit ka, tutulungan ka ng insurance na mabayaran yung mga gastusin mo. We have a different types of insurance. We have life insurance, health insurance, home insurance, business insurance, retirement insurance, and educational or education insurance. Hindi lang yun yung mga insurance. Marami pa. May pet insurance, flood insurance, landlord's insurance. Pero, eto kasing mga to is importante siya and lagi siyang nagagamit. Yung importante, kaya inuuna nilang kunin yung insurance na to. For example, kumuha ka na ng life insurance and health insurance. So, kung hindi pa kaya ng budget mo, tapos kukuha ka pa ng other insurance, is magkakaproblema na or mahihirapan ka na. First is life insurance. Provides financial protection for loved ones in case of death. So, ito yung binabayaran mo monthly life insurance na pagka namatay ka na, may makukuhang pera yung mga family mo. Pwede yun makuha ng asawa mo or kung wala kang asawa, pwedeng mapunta yun sa mga parents mo. Health insurance covers medical expense for illness, injuries, or preventive care. So, for example, nadisgrasya ka, car accident kung wari yan. Tapos, hindi mo na problemahin yung gastos mo sa hospital, kukuha ka na lang dun sa health insurance mo. Which is pwede mo siyang pambayad ng mga bills mo sa hospital. Home insurance covers damage or loss to property, including homes and personal belongings. Home insurance naman is to protect your house. For example, nasunugan ka. So, syempre, pag nasunugan ka, may mga ibang gamit ka na hindi pwedeng gamitin kasi sira na dahil sa sunog. Or pag nanakawan ka, nawala yung mga gamit mo, pwede mong gamitin yung home insurance kapag ganong mga cases. Business insurance protects businesses from various risks such as property damage and business interruption. This one naman is pagka nagkaroon ng damage sa business property mo, equipment, or inventory, you can use business insurance to repair or replacing any damage of assets. Retirement insurance provides financial security and income for individuals after retirement. Retirement insurance naman, makukuha mo to pagka wala ka ng work or hindi ka na makapag-work dahil matanda ka na. Education insurance helps families to save educational expense such as tuition fees and educational saving plans. Para siyang savings for your school. So, for example, sa college, kung may may educational insurance ka or education insurance, no need na para alalahanin yung tuition mo kasi kukuha ka na lang doon para sa pang-tuition mo.
Everyone, I am Michaela Olalia and I am here to present the examples of insurance. First insurance we have is health insurance. Health insurance is a type of protection that helps pay for the medical costs like hospital stays, medicines, checkups, or surgeries. Instead of paying all the expenses by yourself, the insurance company shares the cost, making it easier to afford the healthcare. Example nito kapag isang tao nag-undergo sa surgery, tapos kailangan nila magbayad ng 100,000 pesos, yung health insurance na yun, pwede nilang i-cover up yung bayad na yun na 80,000 pesos. That means yung yung patient na yun, kailangan na lang niya magbayad ng 20,000 pesos. The second one is life insurance. Life insurance is a financial protection plan. A person pays a regular fee called a premium, and when they pass away, the insurance company gives the money to their family or chosen beneficiaries. This helps support the family with expenses like food, education, or debts even after the person is gone. Example nito kapag yung isang tao namatay, tapos yung tao na yung mayroong life insurance. Yung pamilya nung namatayan, pwede sila makuha ng 1 million pesos base dun sa life insurance nung namatay. Car insurance. Car insurance is protection for vehicle owners. It helps pay for repairs, damages, or losses if the car gets into an accident, is stolen, or damaged by fire or natural disaster. The owner pays a regular premium, and in return, the insurance company shares the cost of repairs or replacement. Example nito kapag yung isang tao na aksidente, tapos yung repair cost naman ng sasakyan is 80,000. Yung car insurance na yun, pwede nang cover up yung 60,000. Kaya yung driver, magbabayad na lang sila ng remaining na 20,000 pesos. Home insurance. Home insurance is protection for your house and the things inside it. It can help cover the cost of damage or loss caused by the fire, theft, floods, earthquake, or the other disaster. The homeowner pays a premium, and the insurance company helps pay for repairs or replacement when something happened. Kunwari merong typhoon, tapos yung typhoon na yun, sinira yung roof ng bahay. Tapos, yung repair cost naman ng roof na yun is 150,000 kunwari. Yung home insurance na yun can cover up a big part of the expenses na nakakatulong para sa pamilya na makabangon na mabilis without spending any of their savings. The last one is travel insurance. Travel insurance is protection for people when they travel. It covers unexpected events like medical emergencies, lost luggage, flight delays, or trip cancellations. The travelers pay a fee premium, and the insurance company helps cover the cost if something goes wrong. If yung person na yun na-lost ng luggage niya sa airport and it's worth like 50,000 pesos, yung travel insurance na yun, kaya niyang ibalik yung bayad sa traveler so they can replace their luggage or belonging sa tao na yun.
Good day, everyone. Now I'm going to discuss the advantage of insurance. I prepared 15 advantage of insurance. First, removal uncertainties. Insurance mitigates the financial impact of potential losses by transferring the risk from the insured to the insurance company. This provides businesses with a sense of security knowing that they are protected against unforeseen events. Second, stimulant of business enterprise. Insurance enables businesses, especially large-scale, commercial and industrial organizations, to operate without overwhelming fear of financial ruin due to the potential risk. By safeguarding capital, insurance allows businesses to invest and grow more freely. Third, promoting of savings. Insurance, particularly of life insurance, it provides means of preparing future financial and promote compulsory savings, benefit both individuals and the nation. Fourth, correct distribution of costs. Insurance facilitates the distribution of costs associated with the accidental losses. Business can pass these costs on to consumers, while insurance ensures that losses are accurately estimated and managed, rather than being subject to guesswork. Fifth, source of credit. Insurance plays a crucial role in modern business by enhancing creditworthiness. Life insurance policies can provide funds for repayment in case of death. And various types of property insurance enable businesses to secure credit more easily. Marine insurance is essential for international trade transaction. 6. Reduction of the chance of the loss. Insurance company invest in research to identify the cause of accident, theft, and robbery. They also implement preventative measures and support public safety programs to minimize potential losses. 7. Solution of social problems. Insurance provides financial compensation to victims of industrial injuries and road accidents, mitigating the financial hardship arising from old age, disability, or death. This helps families. The business units remains intact even after a loss. 8. Product utilization of funds. Insurers accumulate substantial funds of various insurance premiums. These resources are invested in the country, public and private sector, contributing to overall economic development. 9. Insurance as an investment. Life insurance combines protection and investment. Premiums accumulate in a fund that earns interest. Policyholders can also invest their capital in an annuity receiving annual income until death, making insurance a viable invest option. 10. Promoting of international trade. Insurance facilitates that growth of international trade by transferring risks to insurance company. This allows the industrial and exporters to focus on business promoting and export activities, reducing concern about potential losses. 11. Removing fear. Insurance alleviates fear by providing assurance that financial protection is in place should an unfortunate event occur. This fosters confidence and eliminates worries, offering benefits that are difficult to qualify but highly valuable. 12. Favorable allocation of factor of production. Insurance support the efficiency allocation of product factors. Capital tends to be scarce in risky ventures, but insurance mitigates this risk, encouraging investors to allocate funds those areas. 13. Growth of business competition. Insurance enables small business units to compete more equally with large organizations. Without insurance, smaller business could not undertake the same level of risk. Insurance also reduces the uncertainty of financial losses, increasing knowledge, which is precondition for perfect competition. 16. Employment opportunity. Insurance provides employment opportunities to jobless individuals, contributing to the improvement of progress of social condition.